Hi, welcome to this video. I'm here to make a small announcement. I'm going to launch a JEE Advanced Maths crash course. It will be sort of a quick revision of the entire syllabus and practice with lots of questions. This is because some of the students reached out to me and they wanted a crash course. As you might be aware, JEE Advanced has been delayed. July 3 was the scheduled time, but right now we don't have a date. So it's probably going to be sometime in August. So we have basically June and July 2 months to prepare. The dates have not been announced yet. So anyone who is struggling with preparation for JEE Advanced Maths should be interested in this particular course. Let me just talk about the course briefly, and then I will let you uh, I will let you have a link where you can register for the course. So basically, what does this entail? The first thing is live classes with me. So it will be in small groups of students, depending on how many people sign up. It will be live classes with me on a daily basis, 5 days a week. We want to plan for 8 weeks of classes and 5 days a week classes and 40 plus hours of training, most probably. So it might be more than that, but at least 40 hours of training will be guaranteed. The idea and the plan for the course would be to focus on the difficult chapters of JEE Advanced first. So in that sense, we'll look at calculus first, where we'll look at limits, continuity and differentiability, applications of derivatives, indefinite and definite integrals, differential equations. Then we move on to algebra. The difficult chapters there could be probability, PNC. We could also look at matrices and determinants and other topics where students are uncomfortable. Then conic sections, so that you can score highly in coordinate geometry, which is generally considered a scoring subject, but sometimes people have issues in conics. And after that, we look at vectors and 3D and stuff. So the idea would be to decide on the basis of student feedback what is difficult for you, and we will plan the classes accordingly. Also with the course, there is a 1300 plus question bank. Like there are more than 1300 questions in that set, and this is culled from previous year AITS, be it FitG, Vibrant, Allen AITS, whatever. So all India test series questions will be coming with the question with the course itself, and you can practice from there. What we do in class will be in class problems and discussions, and we will basically discuss the theory through problems. So we'll not be spending specifically time on theory, but more on problems and analysis of last year's questions from JEE Advanced. So definitely during the course, we'll solve the last 8 to 10 years of advanced questions. So this is a brief summary of the course. More importantly, the course fee will be reasonable. So if we have less than five students, the course fee will be for the 40 plus hours of training and all of the stuff that I mentioned before will be around rupees 7,500. And this is all inclusive. Everything that was mentioned before, 40 hours of training, 1300 plus question bank and everything. If we have less than five students who sign up, the course fee will be rupees 7,500. If you have greater than five students who sign up, the course fee will be around rupees 6,000. And that is fairly reasonable for your JEE Advanced Maths crash course. I will give you a link to register for the course in the description below. I'll give you a Google form basically. Anybody who is interested, who is feeling that it is difficult to prepare for the course right now, please register there. Please register using the Google form link. Once you register, I'll get your email IDs and I'll send you a brief mail describing everything and how we proceed. The plan is to basically start the course as soon as possible because we have no time to waste. So right now, today is 1st of June. So I want to start it by 4th or 5th of June latest. 4th, 5th of June latest. And so it is quite urgent because people need this immediately. There's not too much time left. We have 2 months from now. So basically in August sometime I expect advance to happen. So we have 2 months and we need to start by 4th or 5th of June. So tell your friends if you need any help, definitely register for the course. It will be quite good and will be definitely helping you improve your rank by a significant margin. I will ensure that your math scores definitely improve by the end of the course. So looking forward to seeing you guys in the live class. Also, another announcement, the classical physics lectures will be uploaded soon. I am busy making them. So you can expect some videos today or tomorrow for the next set of videos in the classical physics course. See you guys. Hopefully this will be useful for you guys.